All right, so here we continue to edit this to read greater than. So we take out the equal sign there, and then we put the greater than sign over there. And then we are done with it. So we can enter. And when you are done, check to make sure that all these other places are referencing the right values. You are referencing the right range of values, and everything is fine from here. Okay, so that is done. The next up is let's go to the slide and see what we are asked to do. So here we are asked to find or create a new feature that we call ARC underscore difference, and we are supposed to subtract or find the difference between the ARC underscore R and ARC underscore U, which is the urban and rural values of the ARC. So let's go later part of it. We're asked to use that to create a histogram. So we'll go through all that, and let's look at this area again. Now we say we again observe a value errors. Change the difference formula to account for this error. So let's go make sure that we have all that in mind. Let's go to our sheet. Okay, so we have our summary sheet here. I have already created or inserted a column with the name as instructed. And then let's look at the formula here. So now we are supposed to find the difference, which definitely will be one of the values minus the other. That is, so I choose in this case the rural value minus the urban value. But in some cases, you may have a situation where one is bigger than the other, and you may have a negative and so on. So I choose to deploy the ABS function so that I'll keep the values positive. And then, so this ABS function alone is supposed to give you or return the correct value. But then because of the errors that we will get, I added the if error to take care of any unforeseen errors that may occur. So this is our formula. And then you can use the fill handle, double click on the fill handle to populate it. And then here you are, we are good. So now let's just go in the summary sheet. Let's insert a column here. So insert a column, sorry, insert, and then we go to chart. Okay, so we have our chart here. Now, what range of values are we looking at? Well, let's go to our work again. So I'll go to the sheet, and then where do I have my difference? Okay, it's hiding here. So here, can just select this and it works fine. Okay. Whoa. Are we safe? Okay, so let's see. We have the ARC values. This is what I'm having, and you can see. So let me see whether we are asked to select a histogram. So I'm not sure if that is not what we have done. We just inserted, and then we choose our value. So we should be able to have, let's see, so which chart are we using? We are asked to use the bar chart, which is here.